Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by inserting the picture and positioning it roughly where it belongs. Once done, zoom to 100% and pick a view that shows edges clearly because accuracy matters. Make sure the image is selected. This activates picture format tools. You want predictable dimensions, so resize while holding Shift to preserve aspect ratio. Also, lock any cells under the image if they might shift. Now you're ready to access background removal tools, which live on the picture format ribbon. With the Remove Background mode open, Excel shows a magenta mask over areas marked for removal. You need to refine that mask. Click Mark Areas to keep for foreground bits and mark areas to remove for stray background patches. Zoom in and drag short strokes. Small marks give cleaner edges. Make iterative passes, start broad, then fine-tune. Once the preview looks correct, click Keep Changes. If edges look jagged, undo and refine your marks until the cut is clean. Once you accept the removal, finalize by keeping the image as is or right-click right arrow save as picture to preserve transparency. You can also use picture effects like soft edges or picture corrections to blend rough borders. Do this at the size the image will appear. If you see leftover artifacts, try rescanning or using a higher resolution source because Remove Background works best with clear contrast. If nothing helps, export to a simple editor. Clean the mask, then re-import into Excel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.